Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going over question 6 from ACER's Pink booklet, which is also called Practice Test 3. Okay, so in question 6, we're given these two diagrams and then asked one question about it. Now, the first thing you should notice is that you only need the right-hand diagram to answer this question, so you can actually ignore the left-hand one pretty much entirely. It's just there as a distractor and also honestly just to waste your time. So make sure when you do have these diagrams, you go straight to the question to see, do I need to be reading the whole thing? So I've sort of drawn it out a little bit, and as you can see, like HI up here is health improvement, then we have health outcomes, patient care slash experience, efficiency, effective delivery of appropriate care, and fair access. Okay. So the question is, which hospital probably focuses on caring for the terminally ill? And then you have England, and then you have the three different hospitals where the further out the dots go, it means the better they are at doing that particular thing. So the thing you have to realize for this question is it's focused on terminally ill. Okay, so these would be people who are sort of what we call palliative patients. So maybe people with cancer or incurable diseases. So when you think about it from that perspective, which one of these makes more sense? So health improvement, well, not really, no, because there isn't a health improvement in the terminally ill. Health outcomes, again, not really. We know what the outcome is going to be, and we're not trying to achieve better outcomes here. Patient's care slash experience, yes, for sure, that is very important. Efficiency? I mean, not really. No, efficiency would be very good in a hospital where you're doing lots of like small surgeries or colonoscopies, things like that, where you just want to get a lot of patients through as quickly as you can. But for terminally ill patients, no. Effective delivery of appropriate care? Yes, because the care needs to be effective and also appropriate. And the care that you give someone who's terminally ill is different from the care that you give someone who's not terminally ill because the focuses are different. And then fair access, yes, that is also important as well. So once we knock these three out, we've got three left. And so if you look at the dots, you can clearly see that hospital one, which is the small dots, sort of looks like this, where is very, very focused on effective delivery of appropriate care, and then it sort of the other stuff drops off. So hopefully you can see by this that hospital one is the hospital you want to go to, and that is option A. Now, the other thing that you can think about if you were, sort of a bit confused is you've got three hospitals, and hospital two and three, if you look at the dots, they're very similar. They're pretty much equal on health improvement, they're equal on health outcomes, they're equal on patient care and experience. They're a little bit different on efficiency. They're equal on effective delivery of appropriate care, and they're equal on fair access as well. So hospitals two and three are pretty much the same hospital. The only difference is the efficiency, which is here. Whereas hospital one is very different to the other hospitals. So if you're stuck and if you weren't able to link that terminally ill equals appropriate care, then you could say, okay, I've got three hospitals here. How can I distinguish them? Well, either the answer is hospital one, because it's so different from the other two, or the only way I can distinguish between hospital two and three is efficiency. Um, and then you can start thinking about, is efficiency suitable in this case? No, not really. And then that's how you can also get to hospital one, which is option A. So hopefully that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next video.